Hi, I'm Kevin Flint, the General Manager of Oasis Engineering. Today we're going to show you how to service a 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch coupler.
I will be using the service instructions and the service kit provided by Oasis. I will start with the female coupler first. Hold the flats of the female coupler in the vise and using the Oasis poppet tool and a spanner, loosen the retainer. Then unscrew the retainer. Remove the retainer and put aside, and remove the poppet and poppet spring and discard. Next, using a pick, pull out the O-ring and back up, being careful not to scratch the O-ring groove. The disassembly of the female is now complete. Disassemble the male by holding the flats in the vise and using the same poppet tool to loosen off the poppet retainer. Unscrew the poppet retainer. Put the poppet retainer aside. Remove the poppet and spring and discard these. Clean all of the components, the male and the female and the two retainers. I will begin reassembly with the female part first. Assemble the poppet on the poppet tool, followed by the new spring and the new poppet. Apply anti-seize to the poppet retainer thread. Screw these into the bottom of the female. Hold the female in the vise and using a torque wrench, tighten this to 18 Newton meters. If using these instructions to service the HC404, tighten the poppet to 25 Newton meters. Next, insert the O-rings. Oasis recommends using silicone grease on all O-rings. Apply a small amount and insert the O-ring first. And insert the O-ring into the groove. Next, apply grease to the backup and place this on top of the O-ring with the groove facing the O-ring as shown in this image. Next, I will assemble the male. Assemble the poppet retainer on the poppet tool, then the new spring and poppet. Apply anti-seize to the poppet retainer thread and screw into the male. Hold the male in the vise and using a torque wrench, tighten to 18 Newton meters. If using these instructions to service the HC406, tighten the poppet to 25 Newton meters. Servicing of the male and female is complete and they should now be able to be coupled together.